As we look at an example of an essay that is a borderline pass, a C essay which has fulfilled the requirements for the assignment and for the course, again, I think it's useful to go back to the outcomes of the course. The first outcome about reading, comprehending, and responding to college-level texts. Second, about organizing, developing, and supporting an essay. Third, about incorporating, acknowledging, and citing ideas from sources within a written work. What we'll see in this essay is competence at each of these outcomes. And it may also be useful to go further into the course outline language. The second objective here, the idea that the student should support general ideas with convincing evidence in a sequence of effective and organized paragraphs, that there should be a logical and clear progression of thought, some coherence between paragraphs, incorporating and acknowledging sources, summarizing, evaluating, analyzing, and synthesizing ideas of others. Let's turn to the passing essay. In some ways, this essay may not be as engaging as the essay which we just reviewed, the D essay, which did not respond appropriately to the prompts. But what we see here in this passing essay is a setup of the situation, an acknowledgement and brief summary of the ideas of Myers and Assam. Within this paragraph, there is some quoting from the Myers essay. With the Assam essay, there is an acknowledgement here that Assam is disagreeing with Myers. We can see effective reading strategies here. Then we have, in the third paragraph, an attempt for the writer to create a position here that is in relation to the two readings. First of all, how does the writer respond to Myers, and then again negotiating a bit with the disagreement from Assam, and finally coming up with a conclusion. The best solution to the problem is having student conduct included in a student's grade. This essay has performed the basic tasks that we're asking a student to perform. It's clear that in the essay there are problems. There are again and again spelling problems, a bit of grammatical problems, but in this situation the appropriate things, the ways in which the student has addressed the assigned topic is sufficient to call this a passing essay for this assignment, but also remembering that this is the essay that a student uses to finish the class. This seems to be an indication that the student has sufficiently mastered the requirements of the class to move on to English 1.